Hi everyone, how are you? I am good. So today I am going to show you Corona Ayurveda remedy. So let's continue with that. It's a ad. S7 games, okay. The title is very different. Let's see how the game is. So I have opened the game. Coronavirus is killing the entire world now, but Indian city Tamil Nadu has many ancient methods of medicine like Ayurveda and Siddha. These methods will provide complete cure and recover from coronavirus. Let's check. So this is the list which we have to bring now. As letters are very small, we couldn't see, that's why we are doing this. So they are trying some Ayurveda for killing coronavirus. So let's make rasam kind of soup. See, for this the material you need to have. So you need to cut it into slices using knife. You should do as follows. They are giving full instructions very detailedly. You also try playing this Corona Ayurveda remedy. It's nice game. Making rasam now. So I have played in online games. It's time to make rasam. Look at what they are giving. Cumin. You too do try this. Wow, it's really nice. I'm so lucky that I'm playing this game. Nice game, right? You have something in the old time. instructions are given very detailedly. You have to follow that. Our rasam was ready. Now we are with other one. Finding interesting, right? Check for your list and buy it. Shopping is done. Let's know what we are going to do. We are going to do andrographic juice. So these are the materials or the ingredients for that. Do as follows. Do not try, just play. What a nice game. Yes, our recipe is ready. So you to try this in google.com. You also try this. It's a nice one. Bye bye.